Now right. Let me see those hips. Turn it into your feet. And legs, single, single, double. Hop right. Woo! One more time left. Take it here. Final hop. Left. Good job, girls. March. Keep the hands below the heart.
Yeah, that's
Wide. Plant your feet and shift that way. Shift. Breathing in deep. Exhaling deep. Plant your feet. Lateral flexion right. Lift up and over. Bend that right knee deeper. Stretch. Looking good. Sweep it down. Left side. Inhale. Exhale and bend the knee. Nice job. Ready. Right quad stretch. Knees together. Stand tall. Shoulders over the hips. Balance. Hinge forward. Slow. Come top here. Place the right foot on the floor. Calf stretch. Body wave. Good. Shift the weight back to the right leg. Hamstring stretch on the left. Come center. Inhale. Hinge forward. Bend the knees. Drop the booty. And roll top. Quad stretch left. Knees together. Find your balance. You can do this. Hinge forward. Good. Come top. Plant the left foot. Drop the heel. Body wave. Calf stretch in the back. Chest and upper mid back.